In a realm where dragons reign supreme as the ultimate weapons of mass destruction, one man dares to revolutionize ancient warfare with his unparalleled salesmanship. Enter Donald Trump, the self-proclaimed dragon dealer-in-chief, who descends upon the Qin dynasty's imperial courtyard atop a smoke-spewing dragon branded with his name. Clutching a golden Art of the Dragon deal scroll, he proclaims,
"These dragons are the best. People are saying it. Very smart people."
Forget fighter jets. In a world where dragons are the weapons of mass destruction, one man's here to sell them like used cars. Spoiler, they come with zero warranty and all the collateral damage. Welcome to Trump's Dragon Emporium, where the only thing hotter than the fire breath is the markup. Trump unveils a holographic catalog featuring models like the MAGA Worm 3000, Yug Firebelcher, and Covfefe-Class Night Fury. Emperor Qin squints skeptically, his generals drool with anticipation, and Sun Tzu facepalms in disbelief.
You want to conquer the Silk Road? You need air superiority. These babies, they're stealth, they're fierce, and they're huge. The Hungarians already bought 3.
Trump leans in, whispering conspiratorially.
Totally legal. Maybe.
Sun Tzu, ever the strategist, scribbles a note. Dragon weakness, explosive diarrhea. Trump initiates a demonstration, commanding the MAGA worm to showcase its prowess. The dragon hiccups, inadvertently incinerating a rice field, melting a pagoda, and frying a fortune cookie factory. Undeterred, Trump tweets,
"Fake fire! The Chinese media hates winners!"
Sun Tzu mutters.
Victorious warriors don't need dragon insurance.
As chaos ensues, a dragon's wing tears mid-flight. Trump blames Chinese knockoffs, while Terracotta Warriors secretly construct a dragon-sized net. Sun Tzu presents a scroll titled Dragon Calming Techniques, Chapter 69, which Trump promptly dismisses.
Who reads? I'm a deal maker!
The dragons rebel, roasting Make China Great Again banners and causing peasants to flee as QR codes on their collars glitch. Smoke signals spell out Qin Sucks, prompting the Emperor's ultimatum.
Fix this or become Dragon Chow.
Total disaster. I'd sue, but my lawyers are terrified of fire.
In a daring escape, Trump mounts a half-burned dragon, shouting,
Antarctica next. They've got huge ice markets.
But the real question, who's buying his dragons next? Subscribe before he sells to the samurai.
The Emperor's a total loser. I've met bigger guys at Walmart.
And as Trump vanishes into the smoky skies atop a malfunctioning dragon, one golden truth remains. When diplomacy fails, sell dragons.
They said it couldn't be done, but I did it. Dragons, soul, empire, shaken, me, still winning, bigly.
Where's he going next? Rome? The Vikings? Maybe the Aztecs? One thing's for sure, he's not reading Sun Tzu, but he's definitely flipping the script.
Never forget. Everything I touch turns to gold, except maybe the rice fields. Those are gone.
Smash that subscribe button faster than a dragon on a trade deal. Because if you think this was wild, wait till you see what happens when Trump meets the samurai.